You probably think your private AI creations are stuck in your history forever because the interface makes it look that way. When you open up your ChatGPT image generator to clean things up, you'll notice something immediately annoying. There is no delete button on the image itself. You can click around, check the top right corners, and hunt through every menu icon on the preview, but the option to trash that specific picture simply doesn't exist. This is exactly how most people end up with a cluttered gallery full of AI-generated barbecue burgers or awkward selfies they wish they hadn't made. You want to clear your AI images, but the system feels like it's locking you out. The solution is actually hidden in plain sight, but it requires you to change how you look at your workspace. Instead of trying to find a delete button on the image, look over at the left-hand sidebar where all your normal conversations live. Every image you create is tied to a specific chat session. To get rid of that image for good, you need to target the chat that birthed it. Find the specific conversation name in your history, click those three little dots next to the title, and select the delete option. Once you confirm that you want it gone, the entire session, including those images, is wiped from your account. Now, don't panic if the image is still staring at you after you click delete. Sometimes the interface needs a second to realize what just happened. Give the page a quick refresh, and you will see that the screen is finally empty. It's a bit of a workaround because you can't just pick and choose one photo out of a group while keeping the rest of the text, but it is the only way to ensure those files are truly removed from your visible history. Why does OpenAI make this so weirdly difficult? It's because the system treats an image as a piece of dialogue, not a standalone file in a folder. If you delete the words that asked for the image loses its home and disappears. It's a common mistake to think there's a secret gallery setting somewhere in your profile, but there isn't. You've got to be willing to sacrifice the whole chat thread to get the cleaning job done. Now you know exactly how to keep your workspace clean and your digital footprints managed. You aren't stuck with every random experiment or failed prompt anymore. You have total control over what stays and what goes.